What's up, my beautiful people? Who are going? Hope everybody good, hope everybody alright. Hope you're in a good health. You know the jargons go, people. So yes, as the title and the thumbnail say right now, as it say right there, Spice being harassed by the police. Yeah man, Spice is being harassed by the police. However, people, we are gonna break this down, we are gonna talk about it, we are gonna jump in it, we are gonna see what really are going. So just do the right thing. Like, share, subscribe. If you find any value, just copy the link, send it, go get somebody, see you here. Stay tuned, people. Make we jump into the video. Stay tuned.
The speed limit, I wasn't even driving fast.
It's actually dangerous.
I don't understand what you're talking about. Hello, what should I do? Hello, lady, hello. Hold on. It's not easy. Ease for please. Hold on. What you do?
Alright, my side, wagwan. Thanks for staying tuned. Make we jump into the video. Make we reason it out now, no people. So yeah, as we say, yo, Spice is being harassed by the police. That is what she put out on her Instagram post. As you, when you look at the story, it say, yo, when you look on the post, rather, it show the police them harass her 14-year-old son, and she scream out and I say, yo, he's 14, and such, right? Now, when you look on the title or what she captioned the post, it say, racial profiling is real, right? However, yeah man, and if this is how the police them go to work, especially this the Americans police, because as you know, with the whole George Floyd situations them before, with the whole kneeling on the man's neck, I can't breathe and such, and that go viral. So if this is what they might do in this day and age, then this is sad. But I tell you, this is a sad reality and it don't look good, right? Now we clear the air with the facts, say, yo, if that is what they might do, it's wrong, it don't look good, and hope them have sufficient evidence or sufficient what I put it now, information as to why them pull over them, and them whatever the reason why them pull over Spice, them have a reason for back it up. However, the youth underage, so I know say, yo, arresting him, that is definitely wrong, or putting handcuff on him is wrong. However, we don't really want to talk about that per se, right? This is where me really think. You know, tomorrow our album supposed to release. Tomorrow Vibes Cartel album supposed to release as well. So I hold on to the point to say, yo, this is a publicity stunt, and this is all building the hype towards the album that is supposed to be released. Just like the other day, Shenseea released her album, she released her pre-video before it. The Queen Nikki, she released something where say, yo, she had tea from store. When you check it out, it was also part of the music video and stuff and so forth. Made so me as a people, made so I go on. So you see, me think say this is what name there? Me think that this is a publicity stunt, right? However, we are going to scroll through the comment sections, and we are going to talk, and we are going to look on some of the persons them where comment, and we could talk about the comments them now, the people. So watch what I go on. Alright, so first in line here we have CARDI B. She said, are you fucking serious? She said, well, people are show her love. You see, people, yeah man, the entertainers them are show love and such forth. And of course, next in line we have Ding Dong Ravers. He must say, oh, what not do? With some angry emoji. Yeah man, everybody a show love, everybody a chip in, everybody a see what go on and stuff and so forth. Yeah man, little bit after that, no I acting that man. Yo, where the fuck this is? At Spice Official. Make sure you're okay, sis. He said make your okay, sis, but I'm sure say in this so you want to say make sure you're okay, sis. So I acting this show love people. Yeah man, and then of course we have the unruly boss, POPCAAN. Here the unruly boss have to say, hey, I won't not touch my blood clot pitney for at official Nika. How would them do? Say no, say the unruly boss and POPCAAN, so them all they shared as mutual respect for each other. You know that thing they go cause popcorn, spice and the whole drama. You don't know that go. So that is just another clippings, people. There it is. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Comment, tell me what are your thoughts. Do you think it is a publicity stunt or not? Or you think it's serious and you know the thing of people. So comment and let me know what are your thoughts. You think it's serious, you think it's a publicity stunt, whatever. I could have a reasoning about it now, people. I could see what really take place. Okay, reason it out. I could see what really are going on, people. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching another video. Do the right thing, people. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Do all of the good stuff, people. Send the link against somebody. Make sure the word get out there, people. Thanks for watching. Peace out. I'm out.